Hi, it's me, Anna, again. You know, sometimes you look at something and your mind can go beyond what you see. I was walking down the aisle at Target. I'm not being sponsored by Target, but I was walking down the aisle and I found this super cute mosaic stickers, wall of stickers, and I thought, what can I do with it besides putting it on the wall? And I went to Goodwill, got a beautiful glass vase, and spray painted the vase and added the wall stickers to it. I loved it, and I know you guys will like it too. Let me know what you think on your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well, Anna's House DIY, and I'll see you there or here or anywhere. Bye.